To check user login history, click this search icon and type here event and open this event viewer app on your Windows PC. In here, under event viewer, expand Windows logs, and here select security, and under security, here you will find all of your Windows user login history. So if you scroll down in this security field or box, you'll see these login options. So this is the login history. If you want to check any specific login history details, then select the specific login history, then click on details, and here you will get all details about the user login. So that's how you can actually check our Windows user login history.